Magkakaroon ng tensyon sa pagitan ni Uno at ni Ace. Kaya pa ba ito pigilan ni Heart? Malalaman natin yan in 45 minutes dito sa PBC One. At yan ay pagkatapos ng mga ganap sa Albert Square.
Careful you don't take it off.
Well, I'm glad you find me amusing.
That he can have a laugh with, you know. I don't get angry and just shout all the time.
Yeah, you're right. I better start making me list that night.
No, Mum. This is my thing, yeah?
The death toll from Typhoon Kalmegi, Asia's most powerful tropical storm this year, has risen to nearly 200.
We will be helping the families of those na naging casualty. We will help them to recover.
2 people have been killed and 4 people are in hospital this evening after an attack outside a synagogue just behind me here in a street in Greater Manchester.
And so, on behalf of our country, I express my solidarity, but also my sadness that you still have to live with these fears.
At first I was afraid, isasabang toyo. Pero dahil sa Lord Cubes, kayang-kaya ko na! Mag-adobo! Biti sarap adobo good! Biti sarap adobo good! Hey, hey!
Fragrant hazelnuts, smooth velvety chocolate, Ferrero Rocher, for love that's precious as gold. Tamang sweet break ang coffee break with Nissin Butter Coconut. Nissin Butter Coconut.
Lucky me kasi may rason para magkaibig. Lucky me kasi. Lucky me kasi. Lucky me kasi.
Passport, please.
여권이 어딨지? 야, 출출하냐? 자, 스니커즈? You're not you when you're hungry. Grab a Snickers.
Pahinga muna. Pasarap ka muna. Kasangga mo ang Red Horse Beer. May sasarap pa ba sa numero 1? Sa inuman. Sa kwentuhan. Ang pagre-relax. Mapapasarap para bukas. Ikaw naman ang may lakas. Kasangga mo sa relax sarap. Red Horse Extra Strong. The number 1 extra strong beer in the world.
What do you get when Cherry from CGF teams up with Immunomax CM Gluca? You get the power of 2, now in 1. Cherry for Immunomax. Mahalagang paalala, ang Cherry for Immunomax ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
May mga taong nakakaramdam ng pangingilo pag umiinom ng malamig o mainit na pagkain. Nararanasan mo rin ba ito? Ang pangingilo ay senyalis ng tooth damage na pag pinabayaan pwedeng lumala at dumalas. Hindi sapat ang regular toothpaste sa ilo. I recommend a specialized toothpaste, Sensodyne. Its Novamine technology helps give 3 times stronger protection to your teeth. Sensodyne really works.
We love treating them like humans. They love being dogs. Kulang ang nutrients ng lutong bahay. Mag-Pedigree para sa 100% complete and balanced nutrition. Love them like family, feed them like dogs. Pedigree.
You Downy. Max dagdag perfume. Kaya agaw pansin.
Rub mo lang bloom ang fresh mo. Downy Rub, bango.
Ako lang to.
Over ang eye bags. Nahagad ka na sa stress, sis.
Inuubos ka na ng katakot-takot na stress.
Mag-stress tabs ka na kaya?
Ang Stress Tabs ay tumutulong ibalik ang nawalang nutrients na inubos ng stress. Para lagi kang F na F.
Ikaw ba yan?
Sis, ako pa rin to. Ganda mo. Stress Tabs.
Skincare can be overwhelming. With too many options, which one really works for your skin? Make the smart choice with Celatec Dermoscience. It's science for your skin and science that works. 20 years of Dermoscience mastered beyond just hype. Expert solutions made simple by understanding skin and you. Celatec Dermoscience. Science designed for your skin.
Ma'am, dapat mag-ingat sa usog.
Ma'am, ang order mo, ma'am, for tuna dapat.
Sa dami ng opinions, kailangan maging mabusisi. Magtiwala sa Wilkins Distilled, most trusted by doctors and moms nationwide.
You need Lysol Level Linis. Mag-Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner for up to 99.9% germ kill and 10 times better cleaning. Apply and scrub. Compared to other brand, it cleans 10 times better. No stains, kaya may long-lasting freshness. Kapag Lysol Linis, siguradong Lysol Fresh.
Lysol Linis!
Uy, tara, merienda!
Inom na rin. Ayoko nga. Inom na.
Ate, pabiling Royal!
Isa na lang to.
Yes! Royal, itong gusto ko. True orange, itong gusto ko. Masarap, itong gusto ko. Royal, itong gusto ko.
Deposit and earn up to 8% per annum. Flexible terms. Choose from 6 months up to 5 years. PDIC insured up to 1 million pesos per depositor. Download Salmon app now.
Susunod sa PBC1.
Sorry dito ka na muna kasi masaktan ka. Kiraulo kasi ko.
Bitawan niyo ako! Bitawan niyo ako! Ano ba?
Heartful Cafe, susunod na.
Habang sa PBC2, mapapanood ang spooky film na Sadako.